AIF Media.
Kẹ̀kẹ̀kẹ̀ is the sound of Kòṣo drum. Gúdúgúdú is the sound of the drum that calls Òrìṣà. When two babalawos meet, they joust with the ìrùkẹ, turu-yẹ. This was the Awowo cast Ifa for Ori when he was descending from heaven to earth. Ori was told to sacrifice in order to be praised. Ori complied. Ori became an object of devotion. Ori ascended to the zenith of authority through natural selection and spiritual discipline. We praise Ori as a source and our creator. We recognize Ori as a force which is beyond our enemy's influence. My Ori, do not listen to the voice of despair. Do not attend to the call of destruction. My Ori, you are my sanctuary. You are my stronghold. It is to you I am coming.
AIF Media.